Hello everybody and welcome to my show. I hope you guys are having a fantabulous Sunday evening. Let's get to the news. Yesterday we spoke about how we are headed for a massive collapse of the housing and the stock market. And I said before it's not good, and I still think so. So today we are looking for answers of how to get above the curve or beyond the curve. So we are ahead of the game. So we did not necessarily sit with the experts, but we listened to what the experts said, and we are here to give you that info. George Gammon, Macroeconomics Guru, sat down with, quote, the Robinson of Wallstreet, Greg Mannarino. And he said, Greg, that the bond yield the week before, it was like a yo-yo going up and down, and then on Monday and Tuesday the 10-year basically flatlined. He's saying something is fishy. I'm smelling something fishy here, and what he believes is the Feds are doing yield curve control, and he said this is a way of controlling everything. That means you and I. But he said that also that people are asking, so when's this market crash going to happen? He said those are the wrong questions. And he said not to look at the market indices, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones Industrial, the S&P 500. He says, no way, don't focus on that. What you need to be doing is focusing on the debt market, because that is where all the action is going. And he said that, quote, about himself, I look at the 10-year yield, number one. And then number two, what is the dollar doing? He said that you gotta watch for that compensatory mechanism that exists between the dollar and the 10-year yield. They play on each other. So he said that if we continue to see 10-year yield rise and the dollar going up, we are in a disaster. We are in big trouble, people. So what he said was, we got to use this opportunity to get some capital gain. It's a capital gain opportunity. And what he said was, you want to, quote, hold hard assets. He means silver, gold, platinum, palladium. That's what he's doing. And he said that get on in with Bitcoin. He said that I told you guys about it when it was $2,700. Now it's at $50,000. He said, I can't talk about the housing market. I'm not an expert there, but I'll hand this one over to George Gammon. But he did say that I have a lot of friends who have massive holdings or massive investing in housing, and from what they're saying, how the housing is going to continue to go much, much higher. So now we're going to hand it over to George Gammon. And what he said was, I'm not suggesting that anybody go into the housing market and purchase a home. He said that where properties used to be an asset, they are now a debt. But he did say, I suggest one thing. If you have a rental or a property that you own and you're owing debt on it, make sure that you are on a 30-year fixed rate, so you do not go under. I hope the information helped. And I thank you for watching and your support. Till next time, we will talk again and continue this discovery, you and I. And we hope that we will all get ahead of the curve. Certainly hope and pray so. Thank you.